What's up, my traders? Welcome to our video analysis. We start with eurusd. Eurusd, what to say? We have had a gap opening down during the weekend after the recent news regarding the Russian oil cap. And as we see, we are trading below the havoc. There is really no support here. At least, okay, just I was trying to find something and I just drew this trend line. This is the parallel line, and there is a minor support here in 88, 75 something, 10 pips below where we are. But I doubt that even if we see any attempt higher, we are gonna see at least this space here between the moving averages. This is very bearish chart and is ready to accelerate to the downside. To where? Let's see. This is the daily chart. You have seen this chart many times. I always updating to the downside. Let me fix it. Okay, this is the first interim target, is just below 97, and of course if we go to bigger time frames, we know the target is at 89 something area. But let's stay to this daily chart for now. Keep in mind we have ECB this Thursday, and I expect a big move down then, more than 100-150 pips. So I believe we are gonna see this target soon, maybe this week. I mean 96 levels, and it's just 2 figures below where we trade. Everything is possible. People have not realized yet what is coming for Europe and for Europe in general. A lot of defaults. Anyway, I'm not gonna enter into details. Maybe I will do a separate video regarding that. Let's stay to the technical side. And let's see pound. Pound, what to say here? This crap is selling off since non-stop since 136. This is more than 20%. This is total collapse. What to say? 20% in a few months, in 5 months, 4 months is disaster. Disaster for the pound. Really, here there is no support. I mean, we have the ultimate, the post-COVID low, 114.12. Okay, maybe this provide one support. It's just 20 pips lower, but really any attempt higher should fight huge selling pressure. Not good things for the pound. But let's see. Maybe the god saved the queen and the queen saves the pound. Who knows? The queen is almost 100 years old. What to say? It's very funny. Okay, let's look. CAD, as I said, it is the best pair if you want to play the dollar bearish, in the bearish side of the dollar, because it is the only currency that has the potential to move against the dollar. And as we see here, this is the last almost 1 year of trading, and it's trading almost sideways. Cannot have a big move to the upside. Of course, things can change rapidly, but until then we stay to the chart, and we see that above 131 and 32 there is a selling pressure. And also keep in mind we have a Bank of Canada rate decision this Wednesday, so I believe selling rallies here, it's more safe than buying euro dips, of course. But until then, we must remain bullish. It is a dollar long pair, and actually I would worry if we see levels below 130 again. 129.70 to be accurate. If we see trading below this level, maybe we have a shift in the trend and we see 3-4 figures down easily. Also, one reason I'm not so bullish in this is that I expect a huge move in oil to the upside. So this would put pressure to the downside for USD CAD. And I believe it would be the perfect storm to see a reversal in USD CAD. Okay, what else to see? Let's see AUD. The Aussie has tomorrow morning the rate decision. Of course it is bearish, but there is a little bit more how to say, it's trying to find a bottom here, and if there is some hawkish surprise tomorrow, we can see a reversal higher here, but okay, I mean to see something like this and have an attempt to go to 69.70. Only above 70-71, this area here. Let's turn to daily to see it more clear. You see we have an attempt to find a base here, but I need to turn bullish. I need to see trading above 71.40, this top here. And until then, of course, you must sell every rip higher. Okay, let's see something interesting. Okay, quick look at USD pair, nothing to say here. I told you many times, buy the dip here and stay away, only buy the dips. Don't try to sell here. You are trading against two central banks, Fed and Bank of Japan. It is the perfect storm to disaster to try to short USD yen. Of course, maybe one day you become lucky, like here, and cuts to 3, 4, 5 pips to the downside, but doesn't worth the risk. Let's see something interesting. Gold has been trading not bullish, but I would expect selling off with this huge USD rally, trading at new highs. And despite that, we see that gold is trying to find a base here, and if we see a break above 17.18, there is some space to move higher to test first resistance is 17.27, $10 up, and then 17.40, 17.50, this area here. Also have the moving average 200 periods. Okay, if you like to take a small risk, you can enter some spec longs here, especially if we see above 17.20. This is gonna run $5-10 for sure. And of course, you know my position in gold is long-term bullish. And after this move down lower to test the support zone, we may have one bottom at least for the short term. Okay, let's have a quick look at indices. S&P is holding the lows of Friday. This is good. And also US is closed today, so I don't expect any huge move here up or down. This will wait tomorrow, the opening of US markets. Of course, we cannot say the same for DAX. DAX is ready to plunge very, very low, but very, very low. This is gonna go parabolic when we see the break of this area. 12,300, you are gonna see big move to the downside. It's gonna go parabolic. Until then, keep building short positions, and we wait the break to the downside here. I believe we covered most of the markets. Let's see Bitcoin. It is trading sideways just above the support of 19,500, but when we lose this, it's gonna accelerate for sure and quickly to the downside. Anyway, I don't trade Bitcoin here, but I would like to buy some deep tips for quick spec profits. That's all for today. See you on our Twitter feed or any extra video analysis during the week. Of course, I'm going to post some shorts and TikToks. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you all for watching. Bye.